Hi, I am Harshal Borole. Today at our Pune facility, IIW is organizing National Skill Competition for Best of Best Welder 2024. Welders from different organizations will showcase their welding skill in this competition. Come, let's dive in this competition.
The National Skill Competition aims to recognize skilled welders in the industries.
This platform allows welders to showcase their techniques and expertise.
The event was well coordinated and the organizers were highly supportive.
The welding machines were user-friendly and easy to operate.
National Skill Competition hosted by IIW is a great platform to all welders to showcase their talent and expertise.